this is John from Life Academy. Tonight I want to show you a very special technique for erasing permanent marker off of a blackboard. Sometimes what happens is you're using a blackboard or whiteboard and you mistakenly grab a Sharpie and you start to write and you realize, like in commercial where the lady says, why do you use a permanent marker? You see, she made a mistake and she went out and she said she had to get a new one. Well, I'm going to show you a technique where you can use something special, a special technique to erase a permanent marker off a whiteboard. Okay, so stay tuned. So this is an erasable marker, and wrote that down, word marker, and I can just erase it. Very good. Now we're going to take a marker. This is it's a Sharpie, and we're going to write the word marker on it and underline it. There it is. So you've done that. Take the eraser and, oops, permanent. Can't get rid of it. So how do you get rid of it? What you do is you take erasable marker and you mark over it. Just kind of mark over it like this. Okay, and it lines right here. Mark over it. Okay. Wait a few minutes. Get the eraser. And you see it came up a bit. Okay. Now, if you take Kleenex, you'll get even more of it off, as you can see. Then take the marker again and you go over the same thing. This time you don't gotta be as precise. Just kind of cover it best you can. Smear over it. And there it is. Put all this on here. Okay. And again, I would suggest using a piece of Kleenex. And then you just wipe it off. Okay. Now again, you might leave some remnants. It's okay. Again, you take the marker and you just go over it. Whatever's left. Whatever you got. Like that. If you see something like that, even whatever you got, just take it. Again, take the piece of Kleenex and wipe it off. And you can see it's gone. That's it. Okay, so there it is. You've seen how you can use a marker that is erasable to trace over a permanent marking on a whiteboard and erase it. Takes a couple of tries, takes a little bit of time, but if you do it immediately, it's going to be gone forever. And even if it was there for a little bit of time, if you apply the technique and you just wait a little bit, you'll get the results. It's like magic. So this is your way of restoring your whiteboard, blackboard back to its normal state by utilizing a special technique to erase a permanent mark on a whiteboard. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.